Yeah, the reggae beat originally come from the Africans. We see them here, the African music, and we're Africans scattered abroad. So it come as a kind of rebellion.
Legendary Foundation, sending this one out to the people, you know what I mean? My people's in the streets of Illidale, streets of New York City, you know what I'm saying? From the streets of Jamaica to the ghettos of London, word up. People's in the struggle in Paris, Cuba, South Africa, word up. Worldwide, Roots Crew, hey yeah, open your minds to this one and feel this joint for real.
This morning, I woke up in a curfew. Oh God, I was a prisoner too. Yeah, could not recognize the faces standing over me. They were all dressed in uniforms of brutality. Hey, how many rivers do we have to cross before we can talk to the boss? Hey, all of we got, it seems we have lost. We must have really paid the cost. That's why we gonna be burning and looting tonight. I say we gonna burn and looting and burning and looting tonight. One more thing, burning all pollution tonight. Oh yeah, yeah, burning all illusion tonight. Oh, stop them. Stop them. Stop them. Give me the food and let me grow. Let the root man take a blow. Hey, I said, all them drugs gon' make you slow. It's not the music of the ghetto. We gonna be burning and looting tonight.
Say we gonna burn and loot.
Burning and looting tonight. One more thing.
Yo, y'all know the time. I'm trying to eat in 99, I need more. Some taking this to the streets, right? They want war. The sheriff at the front door, he coming to hunt y'all. You got these devils at the back door. They wanna confront y'all. They want y'all to pass like some type of gun law. They come in the night, then block out every border you could run for. Me, I'm a rocket launcher, a militant monster. I'm self-sponsor. I light up the mic just like ganja. Black thought in the flesh, no imposter. Power hilly. Thoroughbred soldiers ain't with the same silly shit that's uncertain, wrapped inside of steel curtains, networking our shoulders, backs, and necks, hurting for real. So be supreme or just remain a mere person. Yo, you can find knowledge yourself or keep searching. Whoever in the crevice is thirsty, working beneath the surface. Y'all know the purpose, keep the streets burning. Yeah.
Burning and looting tonight. I say we gonna burn and looting and burning and looting tonight. One more thing, burning all pollution tonight. Oh yeah, yeah, burning all illusion tonight. Oh, stop them.
Fight revolution. I ain't a revolutionary. We don't even have to tell people that. You know, we don't want to tell no one that. You know what I mean?